Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to share with you 7 things that I've recently purchased that I just love. They're total game changers, and if you guys are thinking about getting them, I highly suggest you get them because they are fabulous. Right off the bat, nothing in this video is sponsored. I got none of it for free. These are literally just things that I have been purchasing or just like randomly acquiring, and I love them and I want to share them with you. That's all this video is. But without any further preamble or further ado, let's get right into it. 7 things I love and want to share with you guys. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is this. It is a self-massage tool and it's so good. Such a game changer. Like, I have so many different massage tools, from rolly balls to pokey things to things that are like little wooden thumbs, like head massagers, all of it. I have all of it, so not a surprise that I would eventually end up with one of these babies, but I love it. It's so good. So this one is a Theracane from Denver, Colorado, according to that tag right there. But basically each of the little spikes that has the ball on it, you can just like put into a muscle. It's curved, so you can kind of get that spot behind your neck and shoulders and just kind of pull in. And it feels so good, and it just hits different parts of your body. This one comes with a little manual, so you can see kind of how to do it to get the certain muscles if you can't figure out how to reach them. This one's super good. I know they do have a couple, well, I don't know if this brand does, but I know on the market there are a couple self-massagers that look like this. Some are very much the cane, some are more curvy. I think they're probably all gonna work relatively the same, honestly. This is just the one I have, but I really love it. And yeah, if you are in the market for a self-massage tool cane thing, get one. They are fabulous. The second item I want to share with you guys is the Weleda Skin Food Lotion, and I'm actually almost out of it. I did get it about a month ago. You guys know I have a really dry skin, like super dry skin, and finding a face moisturizer that's like thick enough and actually works is a struggle and a half. Like, I've tried everything, and this actually works for me. So it's super thick. It smells amazing. First off, it smells kind of like fruity lemons, like it's got a lemony aftertaste. Not aftertaste, I didn't taste it, but scent. So it's super thick and it rubs in. I'm gonna be honest, like, the consistency is not like a normal cream. It's almost between a cream and an ointment. Like, it's kind of borderline Neosporin as far as consistency, just so you guys know. It does sink in, it gets pretty shiny, and it stays on your skin for a while. Even my skin, I have super dry skin that just like, I can put straight olive oil on my skin, it just sucks it right in. This stays on my skin for a while. So that gives you an idea of the kind of, you know, consistency and how long it's gonna stay on the skin. You can see in the reflection that it's still shiny, but this stuff is so moisturizing. I love it. If you do not have super dry skin, it's probably gonna be way too much for you, like super thick. But if you do struggle and you do have dry skin, this stuff, honestly, I love it. I'm gonna buy another bottle of it. Not super cheap. I think I paid like $18 for this, which, I mean, if you consider it like a skincare regime product item, like, that's not a huge investment, I guess. And I don't use it on my whole body. It's kind of slated for your whole body. On the back it says, you know, little goes a long way. Apply as needed whenever and wherever your skin needs extra moisture, especially on rough areas like hands, feet, and elbows. I actually use this on my face, so whatever. It actually doesn't make me break out or anything, so I really like it. So if you guys have super dry skin, this would be one for you. If you have normal or oily skin, it's probably gonna be too much, too heavy, just too thick. I don't know if you'll like it, but it is super thick, and I really like it. It's something that I've been using as a night moisturizer now, and it like stays on my face, and my face doesn't dry out halfway through the night the way it normally does. So I do really like this, and if you have dry skin, Weleda Skin Food, give it a try because it's amazing. The next item I want to share is a clothing item. So usually when I wear a dress, I'll wear like bicycle shorts or something underneath it. These, however, I recently got on Amazon, and they're the same thing. They're just like a pair of exercise shorts, and you can just wear them as shorts if you want, but I usually wear them under dresses, which is why it came to mind. These have pockets, like external pockets that fit your phone. I film on my phone, so I can't show you, but that's my hand all the way in there up to my wrist. Those are my fingers, like real pockets, which, you know, if you're a girl, is just unheard of. It's on both sides of the legs, and they're flat and they go flat against the thigh, which is awesome. So basically you just wear them like this and you have a pocket here and a pocket here, which means even by themselves or under a dress or however you want to wear them, you can put your phone in one side, chapstick, keys, whatever you need in the other, and you don't need a purse, and that's amazing. And yes, I'm getting super excited about shorts with pockets because how often do you find exercise shorts with pockets? Never. Never is the answer. You never find them, and it is so exciting. So now I have shorts for under my dresses or exercise shorts or whatever I want to wear them with pockets, and I don't need a purse, and everything's hidden and secure because it's actually deep enough of a pocket that things can fit in there. Yes, that's just, you can tell I'm very excited about this because I can't even get my phone into my jeans pockets, like the little corner peeks out. That just, girls don't have real pockets, and these have real pockets. I don't know what brand they are. I can't find it on here. I got them on Amazon. I will link them below because they're in my order history so I can find them. But yeah, shorts with pockets, like bicycle stretchy shorts with pockets. Amazing. You need them in your life. Total game changer. So the next item that I want to share with you guys is a game. It's really great for, you know, like friends, parties, playing outside because it can't really blow away easily, so that's awesome. It's called Sagrada. First off, it's beautiful. Like, I'm gonna butcher the name, but Sagrada de Familia. The stained glass windows, that's kind of what it's based off of. And so I'm not gonna go into how to play it. They have a video in the instructions. You like scan it takes you to a video on how to play it. Super easy, lots of fun, and they do a really good job explaining it. So I'm not even gonna go into that. These are the game boards. They come in different colors. So this one's red, they've got like blue, so it's up to 4 players. And then you put in your card in here, and then you try to fill it up and make your stained glass window with these multicolored dice that are just really pretty. You have yellow, red, purple, green, and blue. And it's just a really fun game. It's not super fast. There is some strategy involved once you like figure out how to play, but it's also really great if you're not a big gamer because it goes quickly and you don't need to use a lot of strategy. And you can kind of bumble your way through it and be okay. But if you are someone who's like very strategic, you can look at your board, you can look at the other people's board, you can figure out what they need and cut them off. So it really does bridge the gap between, you know, all levels of gameplay. It's really fun and visually it's a beautiful game. So this one's Sagrada, and as far as games go, I really suggest it. If you haven't tried it, it's a fun one. Next up is barred soap. So I love bars of soap. There's just something so elegant about them, and they come in so many different colors and scents. They're just wonderful. So I love bar soap as a hostess gift or even just at home. Like I actually have barred soap at home in addition to like liquid hand soap. Like I love them and I use them. I think they're great. So this is the Beekman 802 soap. It's goat milk soap, and I really like it. This scent is honeyed grapefruit, and it's lovely. They have different packaging too. So this one is apricots with honey tea. So it's a little 3-pack, and the wrapping is just beautiful. It's like white with a green honeycomb on it and flowers coming out. So it's just lovely. Like the presentation is really beautiful. The scent's amazing. It's a really high quality soap. I haven't actually tried this one yet, but I have tried the rest of them in their collection and they're great, and it's the same company and it has sparkles. So even though I haven't tried it, I'm gonna recommend it because like it's already blowing my mind. So this is the I don't know which side's up. I'm just gonna do it at an angle because it's at an angle. It's the Stardust one, and look at this packaging. Like how could you not love this already? So it is a gem shaped giant shiny soap, and I love it, and I'm holding it sideways, and it's got I don't know, like little shimmers or crystals or something in it, and it reflects the light so beautifully. I'm not sure the camera's doing it justice, but it's a beautiful kind of peachy pink rose color. Smells amazing. Like, oh, what does it even smell like? I don't even know, but it smells really good. It's florally, it's a light scent. It's not like a vanilla or a caramel or like a heavier scent like that. It's a very light floral scent, but it's a beautiful soap and I can't wait to try it. So yeah, if you are interested in like a more high-end, albeit more expensive luxury bar soap other than like Dove, not that there's anything wrong with Dove, I use Dove, but if you're looking for something that's a little bit more aesthetic and just beautiful smelling and just feels great on your skin, Beekman 802 is a great brand. All right, next up is another clothing item. This one's a little bit out there. It's like a cool towel is what it was hyped to me as. It was recommended by a friend, and I have two sizes. There is a small blue one and a medium-sized red one that I have. The backs are slightly darker. Also with the blue, the back is darker. And basically they are scarf-shaped, very lightweight towels that you get wet and you wring them out, and then you just put them on your neck and they keep you cool. And I know it sounds weird, but it totally works. Like, they are amazing. What I like so much about them is they're lightweight and they kind of keep the water in them. So like, even if you wear it like this, it really doesn't get your shirt wet. Like, I've tried it and it's really, really nice in that way. I like to fold the red one, actually, is how the medium-sized one is how I like to do it. And I'll just kind of do that and fold it again and then wear it like that across my neck. And then if your hair's over it, you really can't tell. And it doesn't tend to slip off very much. It's a little bit heavier when the water's in it. I don't know personally if I would like the larger sizes. I think medium's about as much weight as I want on my neck when it's wet. It is very lightweight, but like, I feel like anything heavier would bother me for wearing it. Basically how they work is as the water evaporates, it's a cooling sensation. So it's not witchcraft, it's not a chemical or anything, it's just an evaporating towel. The magic is in the fabric. It's really lightweight and just comfortable. You know, it's not gonna get your clothing wet, which is huge. And yeah, I just really like these. This brand is Alfamo, I think. Basically I went on Amazon and just looked for high reviews, but I will link these in the description below because these I have tried and I like them. And last but not least is my 7th item, and it is sort of food. They are Tiesta teas, and these have blown my mind. I'm getting into teas. I kind of like tea. It's always been something where, you know, it's a very sophisticated drink, but it's not something that I just like drink gallons of unless it's like a sweeter tea, like borderline juice. But these I love. I got a sample pack on Amazon, and I already used the second blue and all my reds, unfortunately, so I can't show you all of those. But the sample pack came with 3 more than I'm holding up, so basically 2 of every kind. And there's green teas. What are you? You are rooibos tea. We have white herbal tea. That one's rooibos. And then herbal teas. I think the red ones were black teas. They were super good. That's why they went first. But what I really like about these is the different mixes and the packaging. Like, the packaging is amazing. You can get bigger packages, but they tell you exactly what to expect right on the package. So this one is Nutty Almond Cream. That's the name of the tea. And then it says apples, plain almonds, sliced almonds, cinnamon, beetroot, natural flavors, contains tree nuts. This one does, but not all of them do. Then it says caffeine, none. Like, straight up just gives it to you. Apple cinnamon herbal tea, that's your flavor profile. And then this package makes 8 to 12 cups, but the bigger packages change. Blueberry Wild Child is a really good one too, and it's blueberry hibiscus fruit tea. Like, that's kind of the flavor you can expect. Caffeine, none on this one, but it makes it really easy to see that, so I love that. On the back is brewing instructions, and then this one just gives you all the ingredients right there as well. Maui Mango is awesome as well. This one also has no caffeine. Did I drink all the caffeines? Lean Green Machine. That one's medium caffeine. Lavender Chamomile is none. And Fruity Pebbles is medium. So I drink all my high caffeine ones, but they do tell you how much caffeine is in them right there. So these are just really great. They're really like delicious smelling teas. Some of them just straight up smell like candy. Fruity Pebbles, where is it? This one, Fruity Pebbles, does not look like the cereal, but smells very similar to the cereal. They are very light flavors. Like, you smell them and you're like, wow, that's like basically fruit juice. Very mild, lovely flavors. Like, it's a wonderful cup of tea, particularly their green teas, very, very light. Some of their other ones, particularly their immunity blends, a little bit stronger flavor, which I personally like, and you can also brew it stronger or less strong according to your preferences. But really, really love these. If you add like a touch of sugar, it does just make it so good. But if you're a purist and you don't want to drink it with sugar, they are still lovely, delicious teas, and I do highly recommend them. I'm going to be searching for the rest of their flavors because they have tons of flavors and really great sample packs. So These are awesome. I've opened and used all of these actually, so the initial thing's a little bit higher, and these give you, I don't know, I want to say I've already made four or 5 cups of tea out of all of these, and I still have quite a bit more. So you can get like 8 to 12 cups per package, as they say you can. Like, really delicious tea. Highly recommend if you are getting into tea or looking for teas to branch out into. Like, Tiesta teas blew my mind. So good. Alright guys, so those are 7 items that I recently acquired and just adore, and I'm working into my daily life because they're just fabulous. So I hope you like them, and if you like videos like this, let me know and I will do some more of them. So let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to share these items with you because they really are fabulous and they're so much fun. So thanks for watching and joining me this time. I'll see you here again soon. Bye for now.